15 Shadow Work Journal Ideas.
What is shadow work and the shadow self?
Quick answer: the term shadow self was first introduced by Dr. Carl Jung. Shadow work stems from this and is the process of understanding and accepting your shadow self, the parts of you that have been suppressed or shamed throughout your life. This type of work can help you to start to see how your thoughts and emotions influence your behavior.
The shadow self is a term used to describe the parts of our personality that we keep hidden from others. It resides in our unconscious mind. It can refer to our darker emotions and thoughts, as well as our less than stellar qualities. It can refer to our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that we keep hidden from others in order to protect our self-esteem or avoid conflict.
Exploring your personal shadow is important because it helps us to understand ourselves and how we relate to others. It also allows us to grow and learn from our mistakes. It's the part of us that we're afraid or ashamed of, or that we don't want others to see.
We are often unaware of our shadow archetype, but we can learn to access this part of ourselves. This can serve as a resource for creativity and insight when we come into balance with our inner self. This Jungian integration of self is ultimately the aim of the individuated person, an individual who is fully self-aware. Debate rages on in certain circles as to whether or not this is even an attainable state.
One way to build on shadow work is by engaging in exercises that help you become more aware of your inner world. These can be done inside or outside of the therapy room.
For those asking how to approach shadow work, a journal is a good step. You can record shadow work exercises in it, as well as shadow work affirmations.
There are many ways to journal. I find it helpful to keep track of my shadow work by writing down what happened during the day and how I felt about it. What have you learned?
A shadow work journal can be used to document and explore the different thoughts, feelings, and experiences related to the shadow self. It can also be used to explore the ways in which the shadow self manifests in one's life. The journal can also be used to record dreams and synchronistic events.
Here are 15 prompts you can use to begin.
Do you avoid addressing your fears?
Do you approve of yourself as you are?
What is your most deep-seated fear?
What characteristics do you find disappointing in others?
When and where do you find it most difficult to be yourself?
What emotions do you tend to avoid?
When and why did your triggers develop?
Why do you continue to harbor any resentments? Is there anyone you hold a grudge toward?
What do you think is the source of your difficulties learning to get past your fears?
Do you feel misunderstood? If so, have your views been misunderstood by other people?
What bad deed have you done, and what possessed you to do that?
Do you believe you're living the life you desire? Is there something you can do to improve your situation?
What made childhood a positive or a negative experience? Trace the most engaging memories of your childhood in the comments section.
What sort of relationship has your family had with you over the years? How has that relationship developed both since you were a child and as you have gotten older?
Are you pleased to be by yourself in your company? Do you depend on others to fill a hole in you?
Questions like this can start to take a toll on us, however. Be sure to take it easy on yourself.
Shadow work is a process that can help you to explore your hidden potential and become the best version of yourself. It involves exploring the darker aspects of your personality, and can be a way to confront your fears and demons. By understanding and integrating these aspects of yourself, you can become stronger and more whole. Shadow work can be complex and challenging, but it can also be rewarding and transformative.
Shadow work is often difficult to practice on our own, so seeking support from others, including professionals, can be very helpful. By talking with someone who understands the process and can offer guidance, we can make significant progress in working through our shadows. In addition, group settings can provide a supportive environment in which we can share our experiences and learn from others. This can be a powerful tool in our journey to self-discovery.
At ILD, we believe in the power of shadow work as a tool for personal growth. By acknowledging and exploring the darker aspects of our personality, we can build resilience and mental fitness. In a challenging world, this is more important than ever. If you are interested in exploring shadow work, please reach out to an experienced practitioner before embarking on this journey.
If you want to know more, there is a link to a full article below. Thanks for watching.